Hey, my beautiful Tea Party squad. Welcome back to another video. So I want to talk about October's monthly subscription by Oso Paper. This theme for this month is going to be Good Girl Gone Bad, and I cannot wait to share this with you. So first up, I'm going to share with you the sticker of the month. Do y'all see these Menonista dolls on their motorcycles? Like, this is so cute. I'm loving the black tones with the little pop of color of the pinks. I love, love, love that. So that is the sticker of the month. Next up is going to be the magnet of the month. That is going to also be just like the sticker of the month, but this one is going to be in the magnet form. And you guys, if you have been following me for quite some time and seeing all of my monthly subscriptions of Oso Paper, you know I am a huge collector of these magnets, and I promise you my Oso Paper magnet collection is going to be coming really soon. But I have been doing a whole lot of ordering, and every time I decide to do a video, I get my monthly subscription, and I'm just like, I want to include this magnet. So I will be definitely sharing my collection with you hopefully really soon. So I definitely want to go ahead and do this video so that I can show you guys what the magnet is for this month, so I can add it to my collection. Next up is going to be this beautiful postcard, and this is what we normally get inside of the Oso Paper subscription. I love the Menonista dolls. Like, how cute are they? I love the hairstyle. I'm just loving all of it. And so you can definitely use this and send this to a friend. It says go bold or go home, or you can keep it on your desk or in your crafting area, wherever you have all your happy things. You can definitely put this in a cute picture frame and add it to your decor in your space. All right. And I'm also going to be sharing some updates. There are going to be some updates coming up in November from Oso Paper. So if you've been following Oso Paper, you've probably gotten the update, but for those of you who are probably watching this video for the first time, I do want to kind of give you those updates and let you know what's to come and starting in November. But I'm going to go ahead and finish going through two more of the items in the subscription, and then we're going to talk about those updates. So next up is going to be the monthly sticker book. This is a 10-sheet sticker book, and this one comes with 183 stickers in here. And I want to show you all of the beautiful Menonista dolls, our mini friends, in here. So first up, we have Miss Mia. Love her, so cute. And then we have some date dots here, and then we have Miss Bess. So cute. I'm loving her little bob. Oh, it looks like a little bob's hairstyle. Super cute. And then we have Miss Egypt. Yeah, she is definitely like a boss babe. And then she has on her fuchsia or hot pink sandals. Really cute. And then we get some Menonista dolls here. And then we have Miss Amaya. I think I'm saying that right. But I love the simpleness of this because she has on her jeans and then just like a nice little black top with her jacket. Super cute. All right, let me see if I can turn the pages. There we go. Next up, we have Sydney. And then we have some Menonista dolls. They're in the center, and they're in that circle. And that circle is like a silver foil around it. I think it's really cute, too. And then we have Riri. That is so cute, y'all. Look at her outfit. Oh, I can't wait to decorate my spreads in this. And then we get some of these decorative boxes. And one thing that I do like about this sticker book is that you not only get functional stickers, but you also get those decorative stickers as well as a few checklist stickers in here too. So check out the mini friends. How cute. All right. Then we get some colorful boxes with our Menonista friends in here. And I love how we have like the different little decos of like the motorcycle wheel prints. And then you have the glasses, and then you have the motorcycle itself. It's so cute. Oh, look at that. Yes. All right. And then we get some washi strip stickers here. Danger. That's what I see when I see this. Like, this is so cute. I like how she does in each of the gray shaded areas. It goes with the pink, the white, in there, and so it pops even more. And then I believe that, yeah, this is also washi strips. It's like little polka dots, silver foil on there. Then you have like some little graffiti marks here. And then you have some flags and arrow stickers also for functioning, using to function in your plans. And then here are some transparent or clear stickers. These are, let me see if I can get you to focus on that. It says notes. This is lowercase notes, and this is more of like a bigger notes section here. This says note to self, payday, and then bill due stickers. And then, yeah. And so then here we get some of the November, like little holidays in here, like Book Lovers Day, Veterans Day, World Peace Day. And then you have Thanksgiving Day. And then you get some, just 2 quote stickers that says go bold or go home, and then rebel at heart. But I just love how it's like that black with the little pop of pink. And then we have some cute deco stickers here too. So I like that. Look at, do y'all see the heels? Yes, I love that. That is so cute. And this one says, either I'll find a way or I will make one. Like that. Then we have some of these right here. I love how all the mini friends are all together. I love just like this one big sticker. I think she should do more of these, but that's just me. I just love those stickers. And then I believe this is the last page. Definitely can use this in any of your planners. I'm going to definitely try this in my social media planner, and I'm going to see how this works. If not, I will probably use it in my daily, because you know I have been rocking my daily planner by the Happy Planner for quite some time, and I have been loving it so far. All right, last but not least is the OSP Paper notebook. And this is just not any notebook. When you open this up, you are going to be surprised, because you're going to think it's just a regular notebook lined paper. No, no, no. It is not, okay? So I like the front cover that says either I will find a way or I will make one. Also like that sticker that we just saw in that sticker book. And then this is the back of the cover. So again, if you are new to my channel and maybe you never heard of OSP Paper, but you want to get to know about OSP Paper, definitely check them out. This is what their here is their logo, but you can definitely find them on Instagram as well as on Facebook. So definitely check them out, and also check out their website. So this is, I think it's about a 30 to 35 page notebook. I believe I counted right. So I want to just flip through it really quick and let you guys see. I'm going to just show you a few pages, because all the pages are just the same, but this is just not any regular notebook, okay? So in this notebook, you are going to get a little section here. You can put the date here and then the month. So you can put like October 31st, you can put 31 and then put October. You can actually split this up in 2 days. That's what I'm thinking about doing. But you have different sections that says must get done today. The next section says would like to get done today. The next section is if it happens, it happens. And then on the bottom of each page, you're going to get a quote. And so this is going to be the layout of this notebook. Again, it's going to be front and back, and I think it's about 30 to 35 sheets in here. And you're going to get the same quote at the bottom as well. And then you're just going to have those sections. But I think you can really use this at least for 2 days on one page, because you can definitely split this up and just write in here like the date, the numeric number, the month, and then write down all the lists that you need to get done for that day. Things that you would like to get done that day, and then as well as if it happens on that day. And then you have another section up here that gives you that same space as over here. That's why I said I think you can actually get 2 days on one page. So this would definitely last for a good while. So I'm really excited about this notebook. You can definitely change it up and make it customizable for whatever you want. But this is definitely like a little to-do list, checklist notebook, and I love it. So again, like I said, all the pages repeat itself. Just to give you a close-up again of what it looks like. Yes, and then the back page is also the same. And then you're at the back of the notebook. So that was everything in this subscription box. I absolutely love it. You have your checklist notebook. You have your postcard, your sticker of the month. your magnet, and as well as a 10-page sticker book. I absolutely love OSP Paper subscription, and I have been purchasing from her from probably day one. Like, I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna read you just a little update of what's to come from OSP Paper starting in November, and this is just something that was included in our pack of our monthly subscription. And so I just want to kind of let you guys know what is going on starting in November. So starting in November, there's going to be no price increase for the monthly subscriptions. Also, she is going to be removing the member only area, which I have been loving that area, but I can honestly say I have been forgetting that area. And it also has access to your members only like little code. So I sometimes will purchase and forget to do that. So that is going to be removed. That will be no more. Also, you will get a discount code that will be a one-time use, but it's going to increase to 25%. And I want to say it was 20%, and I think it's going up to 25%. So that's cool. There's going to be no more prepaid subscriptions. Everyone will be moved to the $24.99 per month plan, unless you cancel starting in January, but I'm not canceling anytime soon. So next up, number 5, there's going to be no more mystery items. If you checked out some of my previous OSP Paper subscription unboxings, you will see some of the items that were some mystery items in there, but that is going to be no more. All the items are going to be planner or stationery coordinated, starting with the November fall floral box that's to come, and you will definitely get to see that too. Cannot wait to share that with you. And then also the stickers will be, we're going to start getting 10 5x7 sheets instead of the smaller 10-page sticker books. So we're not going to be getting the sticker books anymore, which is fine. I'm okay with not getting the sticker book. So the fact that I'm going to be getting 10 sheets of the 5x7 is awesome, because I do have a certain organizational system where I organize her stickers. And so just to know that I will be getting the 5x7s, I do have my organization that will be able to organize all my stickers properly instead of trying to accommodate these stickers as well, because those were really hard. And then also there will be extras from the subscription that will be very limited, but also are going to be available to everyone. So hey, if you're not subscribed, then you'll be able to get a subscription. So make sure you sign up. I'll put some of those links down below so you can go straight there and find a way to go ahead and subscribe to get your monthly subscription. And then last but not least, subscriptions will ship 11 times per month, meaning that there will be no December box ever going forward. So we will be getting January through November monthly subscriptions, and the December we will not be getting any boxes. So the subscription will resume on December the 15th, and that will be for the January box. So again, you guys, I have been loving OSP Paper subscription, and I have been loving all of the items and just some of her creativity when it comes to the dolls, and then some of the things that she puts into the subscriptions is really, really creative, and I love it. So I absolutely love it. I hope this video was very informative, and hopefully you will be able to go ahead and become a subscriber to OSP Paper monthly subscription, because I absolutely have been enjoying it. So make sure if you enjoyed this video to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel and also checking me out on Instagram. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.